In Grasple, you can find a great variety of available learning analytics that could provide you with great insights on how your students perform in your course. In this video, we will show you what analytics you can derive from automatic formative assessments. If you want to know how you can create or request formative assessments, check out our 2 previous videos. So, let's take a look at analytics you can access from an automatically formative test. From your course, you can access this by going to the test screen, which can be found next to the monitor button. On this screen, you will have an overview of all tests that are present in your course. In the test overview screen, you're also able to see the IDs of the test, their names, and the number of students that have started and finished the test. To access the test learning analytics that you will want to gain insights on, click on the View Results button. After clicking the View Results button, you will present with this screen. Here, you can see at a glance the subjects that are included in the test, which in this case are all the subjects within the basics module. And you can see how the questions that belong to those subjects have been answered. The percentage coverage shows the percentage of students that had to answer questions on the specific subject. This can deviate from 100% when there are more subjects than questions asked in the test. In that case, the coverage percentage can be lower since not all students received questions about the same subject. The percentage mastered row indicates the percentage of students that have mastered the subject, which means they answered between 80 and 100% of the questions they received on the subject correctly. These aggregated statistics instantly give you a general idea of the subjects and to what extent your students understand them. This is very useful to know in case you want to address these subjects more in upcoming classes. You can also instantly see the percentage of questions that each student answered correctly per subject. As you can see, it is also possible to break down on the individual student level. Let's select one of the students that have made the test. You can quickly see the points that students scored for each subject. If you wish to go more in depth, you can see each individual question and see how the student answered it by selecting View Question Results. The dots at the top of the screen indicate which questions were answered correctly or incorrectly, so you can easily navigate between questions. In case you need to adjust marking of a question, it can also be done quickly in this overview. If you are done viewing the individual student results, you can quickly go back to the general overview of the test results by clicking the View Course Results button. These analytics should provide you as a teacher with a quick and clear overview of the subjects that your student master, the possibility to see this on an individual student level, and helps to give students that are struggling more attention on certain subjects. If you have other questions or want to see a video on a different topic, just drop us a line at hello@grasple.com and we will make sure to cover this in future Grasple Academy videos. Thanks for watching.